Hey YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be absolutely wild as we delve into the incredible lifestyle of the cassowary bird. Trust me, you're in for a treat. Our journey begins in the dense rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea, where the elusive and majestic cassowary bird calls home. These incredible flightless birds are the largest and heaviest birds in Australia, and they've got a lifestyle that's nothing short of extraordinary. First things first, let's talk about their appearance. With their striking blue and black plumage and a helmet-like casque on their heads, cassowaries are living works of art. It's no wonder they've earned the title of the dinosaurs of the bird world. Despite their large size, cassowaries are remarkably agile and can run at speeds of up to 31 miles or 50 kilometers per hour. Cassowaries are renowned for their powerful legs that are equipped with dagger-like claws that can be used for self-defense. This also makes them very dangerous. Better keep a safe distance. Now let's talk about their dining habits. Cassowaries are omnivores, meaning they eat both veggies and meats. Their diet includes fruits, insects, and even small animals. But what's truly fascinating is their role as gardeners of the rainforest. They don't chew but swallow their food. When they eat fruits, they digest everything but the seeds. The seeds get excreted relatively intact. That's how they play a crucial part in seed dispersal. When it comes to love, cassowaries are not shy. During the mating season, males showcase intricate courtship rituals. From booming calls to impressive displays of their vibrant casques, it's like a feathery dance party in the rainforest. The females lay 3 to 8 large eggs in pale green to bluish-green color. The vibrant color of the eggs provides protection by blending in with the dense rainforest, helping to conceal them from potential predators. Cassowary eggs are the third largest in size in the bird world. The first and second positions are taken by the ostrich and emu, respectively. Now let's talk about the incredible parenting dynamic of the cassowaries. It's a role reversal like no other in the bird kingdom. Unlike many bird species where mothers take the lead in parenting, with cassowaries, it's the dads who wear the parenting pants. After the female lays a clutch of eggs, her job is done. The male steps in for an impressive 50-day stint of egg incubation. Once those eggs hatch, it's daddy daycare in the rainforest. The male cassowary becomes the primary caregiver, leading the adorable chicks and providing the protection they need in this wild environment. But it's not just about protection. The male cassowary takes on the role of teacher, imparting vital survival skills to the young ones. From foraging for food to navigating the dense rainforest, these chicks get a crash course in cassowary life. Talk about breaking stereotypes in the bird world. And there you have it, folks. The captivating lifestyle of the cassowary bird. Lastly, do remember, this is an endangered species and must be protected. Help the cause if you can. If you enjoyed this adventure into the wild, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. And of course, comment down below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay wild.